Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll delve into the world of RDs. We'll tell you that how you can prematurely withdraw your RD investments and what are the limitations or pros and cons to it. RD offers a steady means of saving money. The interest earned on this RD investment ranges from 6.5 to 8.5% per annum. The best feature of this RD investment is that they offer a lot of flexibility. अगर कोई इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन आ जाए, हमें पैसों की जरूरत पड़े, तो we can always prematurely withdraw the RD investment or maybe close the RD account. बट इसके भी कुछ रूल्स हैं, आइए देखते हैं. If you have opted for post office RD, there's a list of rules that you need to abide by for this premature withdrawal or closure. Number 1. The closure can be initiated 3 years after opening the RD account. Number 2. If closed earlier, the interest rate applicable becomes the post office savings account interest rate. Also, अगर आपने advance deposit किया है तो premature closure is not allowed. You will have to complete a specific period before you will be able to prematurely close your RD account. See, ideally, we would never recommend you to break an RD. But अगर आपने हर चीज कर ली है और आपको सच में इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में पैसों की नीड है and RD is your last resort, then there are specific rules that you should know. This is regarding normal bank RD. The rules are here as follows. One withdrawal is permitted before maturity, which is capped at 50% of the deposits after a minimal operation period of 1 year. The withdrawn amount needs to be in multiples of ₹5 and repayment can be done through EMIs or a lump sum amount subject to interest. Let's take an example to understand this. Mr. Rahul has been depositing ₹1,000 every month for last 2 years in an RD account. His investment is now total of 24,000. Now he wants to withdraw the funds prematurely from the RD account. The maximum cap that he can withdraw is ₹12,000, which is 50% of his investments. He can make the repayments through installments. Till then, the interest rate will be modified. There's another catch that you should be aware of. The interest on RDs after premature withdrawals drops by 1 or 2%. Let's say you are earning somewhere around 8.5% interest. But if you decide to prematurely withdraw your RD funds, the interest rate will drop down, let's say to 7 to 7.5%. But don't worry, these interest rates are back to normal once the entire amount is repaid. Similarly, late payment of EMIs can attract fines and charges. Let's say your EMI is overdue for more than 3 months. The account could be closed or subjected to fines. You can be asked to pay between ₹1.5 to ₹2.5 for every ₹100 borrowed, along with a service fee of ₹10. So sum it up, premature closure of the RD should be your last resort. अगर आपके पास इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में कोई और उपाय नहीं बचा है, तब तक आप इसको विड्रॉ ना करें तो ही आपके लिए बेटर होगा. बट फिर भी these are the rules that you should know before taking that call. We hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family who are in need, and also thank you so much for watching.